Hi, welcome back to Cold Stream Rod Shop. I'm Derek Fraser. Going to show you the next project that's come into the shop. The Fiat Topolino left and we shuffled a few things around. As we've shown, we've been working on the 32 pickup. We'll show another video on that, but what's come in is a 1932 Ford 3-window coupe. It's a fiberglass car. It belongs to a friend of ours. They've brought it in for us to do some work. We're going to start getting into doing a little bit of upholstery. So when our friend heard about that, they said, oh, I've got a LeBaron Bonney kit with all the door panels and all the upholstery, the tuck and roll. There's a headliner here. There's some vinyl, and there's all the cutout. I'm going to help a little bit, but the camera lady is going to be the one doing most of the work, even though she's not on the camera. So essentially, we're going to make this LeBaron Bonney kit fit a fiberglass 3-window body. There's also, we've got to do some carpet as well. I'll do it. You can take a quick look here. You can see the way it looks right now. There's a few other little mechanical things I was asked to take a look at. It's a nice car. It's been driven for quite a while, and our friend finally said, well, you know, I'd really like to get the interior put in. There's not too many people around to do it. We've done some work, so we volunteered to help them out. There's a few mechanical things, like the window is a little loose inside I have to fix. I have to fix the other door. It's sitting a little low. It's a nice car. I said, I think it's been on the road about 10 years or so. And he also said he's going to let me loose and do a little pinstriping. So I'm going to do some pinstriping on the front grille, some pinstriping on the back. Said it's a 32 3-window, fiberglass body, steel frame. It's got the right look, the right stance. He likes green because he's a farmer. It's I think it's John Deere green, if I'm not mistaken. So we're going to try and find some John Deere green pinstriping paint and try and accent it there. But that's the next project. Not that we needed another one, but we had room to move another one in. And like I said, we're going to start doing a little more upholstery work, do a few more panels. We've done it for our own. We'll do some work on this one, and of course on the 32 pickup we're going to do some upholstery work on that as well. And when I say we, it's mostly the camera lady and just me fitting them inside of the car. Anyway, that's the latest project. Hope you enjoyed. Please send us any questions about what we're doing. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thanks and take care.